Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to upload photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone. If you want to upload your photos to iCloud and delete them from iPhone and you don't want to lose your photos, so let's see how you can do this. For this you have two different ways. First way is that you just have to open your phone settings, then go to Apple account and here go for iCloud, select it, and here you just have to tab on save to cloud, and here select iCloud photos, and here you just have to tab on sync this iPhone, tab on it and it will be enabled, and after that your all photos will sync to your iCloud photos. But if you have don't know storage, so you just have to buy new storage, as is you just have to get up to 200 gigabyte to 2 terabytes. After getting the storage, you just have to tap on this then include photos, then you just have to enable this setting and it will automatically uh, upload all of your photos to iCloud. And after that, the second way, you just have to open your Photos app and then tap on select, and now select the photos which you want to save to your iCloud. Select them, then tap on share, and here scroll down and here's the option of save to files. Select it, and here you just have to go for browse. In browse, select iCloud Drive, select it, and here select save. And after doing this, your all photos will be saved to your iCloud Drive. So that's how you can upload photos to iCloud and delete from iPhone, but your photos won't be lost. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.